I've been in the curtain industry for about 30 years. I've seen all sorts of designs come and go, but this one is the ultimate. It gets rid of those terrible buckles that all truck drivers are sick of. It is a beautiful flat surface which is great for your advertising. Let's go and have a look and I'll show you how it works. This works like any normal truck curtain. That's the tensioner. This is actually a particularly good tensioner. At the moment the track's coming down. That's made the curtain loose horizontally. This just comes out like any normal truck curtain. Grab the hooks, pull it back. Do your loading, unloading. You can actually leave the front pole in and just open at the back if you want. It doesn't need a rear tensioner on this design. A little bit of wind. Wind's not an issue with this, so it's not much of an issue. Sometimes the hooks end up on the wrong side of the coaming. That's not a big problem. We just push them back over to the other side. We'll see if it's an issue with this amount of wind. No, if it was windy, sometimes you just got to push there to hook the hook on the other side. The wind hasn't been a problem. In a very windy situation, might take another 20 seconds to close the curtain. Okay, so that's that. And then there's the button. The button's a bit out of the way because this is actually a container as well as a solid body. Right, that's drum tight. There's a certification certificate from John Lambert, who's an expert in the industry. I'm going to open the truck and the trailer and then close the truck and the trailer. Then you can get a bigger picture of it all. Okay, let's close her up. You can go and have your dinner while the other guys are still mucking around with their buckles. I'm here to help. If you guys want to get on board and get rid of all the buckles and have a load restraint, buckle-free truck curtain, give me a bell, send me an email, ask questions. I'm happy to come out and see your fleet. I'm happy to help you in your own workshop. I'm happy to organise other workshops to retrofit to old or new. I'll welcome you aboard if you're interested in coming this way, and hope to talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.